Welcome to Service Space YouTube channel. On this channel, we'll be unboxing and reviewing products. So today, we'll be reviewing the WMX20 DUO. This is a dual channel wireless microphone system. It has 2 years warranty, and this product is new in the market because it just came out January 2020 this year. So you're looking at one of the latest products. We will also be using this product in our own studio. Okay. One of the things this product has that is interesting is the fact that it came with its own accessories. It has a lapel pin mic, a windscreen, a show mount adapter, a belt clip, a stereo, and you know the good thing about this is that it can record a distance of about 30 meters, which makes it a very magnificent product. So to buy this product from Amazon, I'll leave a link down the channel where you can pick up this product from. Okay, so we'll be doing the unboxing. As you can see, it's a very new product and I will do this with you. So let's see what it looks like. I can smell, oh, you know how new things smell, right? Okay, so the other one. You see, in the first review, we broke the box. We broke the box. So now we'll be unboxing this product, and with me, I would like you to join us. Just in case you might want to ask, this product is good for filmmakers, vloggers, podcasts, and musicians. I am unboxing this product. Okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I hope you can see it. It's a manual for you to read. So it comes with 2 transmitter and 1 receiver, okay? And these are the lapel mics. This is the lapel clip, the microphone heads. It's a full kitted accessory. Can you see it? Oh yeah. So this is what it looks like. It works wirelessly. Okay, maybe I should just hold one up for you to see. This is the receiver, okay? So portable. And this is what the transmitter looks like. You have 2 of this in the box. Alright, so I hope you get a chance to get yours. Like I said, the link is below. Just click on the link and it will take you to the page where you can buy this product from. Oh, did I say 30 meters coverage the other time? I actually mean 300 meters coverage. So in my next video, I'll be giving you a whole detail of how this product works, where you can use it, and all of that. But for now, we just unbox the product for you to know what it looks like because it's new in the town, and I bet you'll be grateful you got it first. Thank you.